Now, I'll give you another example. So, yeah, let me put it down. So, right now, I'm holding this 12 kgs kettlebell in my hand, right? This is too heavy that I cannot hold it for very long. Maybe I can, but not very long, right? That is the same thing which happens with our traumas. We carry something with us. Let's say हमारे बचपन के कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें थी या कुछ भी, like anything. उसके बाद जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते जाते हैं, there are certain things which keep on adding in our lives. और वो सारा trauma, it's more like that load I was holding in my hands, that kettlebell and the smaller dumbbell and the bigger dumbbell. It's more like that, and I'm just carrying it with me till my body starts giving up. And we have seen that कि जितने भी लोग जो